All right, so let's start. Good morning, kids, and welcome to our math class. All right, so I want everybody to get your math textbook and open on chapter 3, time. Okay, just give me 1 second. Let me pull up and open and share the page for you. Okay, again, open your textbook on chapter 3. Teacher Clifton already teach you chapter 1 and 2. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so Teacher Maria will continue chapter 3. I'm not sure what page. What page is chapter 3?
Page 35.
Again, Pete, what page? Chapter 3?
35.
Okay, hold
35.
on. Okay, I got it. All right, so we will start with chapter 3, okay? So in this chapter, we will talk about, or we will learn more about time, how to tell or how to determine the time, okay? So first, 3.1, telling the time, reading and writing time in the 24-hour notation. So we will start with 24-hour notation. So you have learned to read and write time using the 12-hour notation. The time shown on both clocks below is 10:10 or 10 minutes past 10. So look at this picture, class. Alpha, what are you doing? Do not write anything, okay? Listen, everybody. So we have two different clocks. So the first clock, this is called analog clock. Everybody say analog clock.
Analog.
Okay, very good. So this is the analog clock. So it has two hands. All right, here, digital clock. Usually analog clock is has three hands for minutes, seconds, and hour. Okay, this one is a digital clock. Can you say this word? Everybody say digital clock.
Digital clock.
Okay, what about this clock? What do you call? What about this one? Okay, again, listen now. This clock is analog clock, digital clock. Again.
Analog clock. Digital clock.
Okay, very good. All right, so now we can draw a diagram to show the time in the 12-hour notation and in 24-hour notation. So look at this diagram, class. So this is a 12-hour notation, okay? When we say 12-hour notation, we will start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So that's 12-hour notation, just like this, just like the analog clock. So this is a 12-hour notation, okay? So look at this diagram. So first, let's start with midnight. Everybody say midnight.
Midnight.
Okay, very good. So midnight starts with 0. Okay, hold on. Let me show. Pencil, hold on. Okay, so this one, midnight starts with 0, okay? So let's start with one 12-hour notation. So from 0 up to 12 noon, that's 12 hours. Okay, so from here up to here, that's 12-hour notation. That's for morning, okay? That's for AM. AM, morning, after midnight. Okay, and then another 12 hours. So we will start with 12 noon, and then another 12-hour notation. So here 12, and this one is another 12. So this one is past midnight. So AM have 12 hours and PM have also 12 hours. Okay, again, AM have 12 hours notation and PM has also have 12 hours notation. So look at this. So this is AM, after midnight. And this one over here is PM, past midnight. Do you understand, Kaujoy Mai? Again.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So first 12-hour notation is from midnight up to 12 noon or 12 in the afternoon. That's the first 12-hour notation. And then the second 12-hour notation starts from 12 noon up to 12 midnight. Okay, I will show you. Do you see yes or no? Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, so class, so this is the, look and listen. So this is the 12-hour notation. So we have AM. So starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so this is the after midnight. After midnight. And over here, we have the past midnight. So we also have the same hours, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Again, after midnight, that's AM. Past midnight, that's PM. AM, Alay. What is AM?
AM.
After midnight, very good. What about PM?
Past midnight.
Past midnight. After midnight and past midnight. Okay, what about today, right now, this moment, 10:45. Is it AM or PM? Today, right now, 10:45. Is it AM or PM? AM, very good, Pete. What about 1 PM? Machay. What about later at 10 in the evening? 10 in the evening. Is it AM or PM?
PM.
PM. Okay, very good. All right. Now let's try the 12-hour, oh no, 24-hour notation. Next page. Okay, here. So example number 1, write the time using the 24-hour notation. So we have 4 letters. We have A, B, C, and D. For letter A, we have 3:15 a.m. Letter B, 10:47 a.m. For letter C, we have 1:30 p.m. And for letter D, we have 9:24 p.m. Okay, so here's the solution. Okay, the solution for letter A. Who can read? Okay, Boom, can you read letter A?
The time in the 24 hours.
Notation. Ani, notation.
Notations is trees, tree,
3 alay.
15.
Very good. So the time in the 24-hour notation is 3:15. So 3:15 is 3 hours and 15 minutes. That's Sam naliga si panati. ใช่ไหม? Yes or no? Okay. Letter B. Spy, can you read letter B, please?
The time in the 24 hours.
Oh,
Notation.
my me S na, ani 24-hour, my me S, no S, again.
The time in the 24 notation is 10:47.
Very good. So the time in the very good. So the time in the 24-hour notation is 10 hours and 47 minutes. Very good, Spy. Pete, letter C.
The time is the 24-hour.
Again,
notation.
Ani is, Shemai, or in? Pete, again, letter C. 1, 2, 3, go.
The time in the 24-hour notation is 13 hour and 30 time 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Okay. So again, the time in the 24-hour notation is 13 hour and 30 minutes. So this is 24-hour notation na, which I 12-hour notation. So when we use 24-hour notation, so 1 p.m. will become 13, 2 p.m. will become 14, 3 p.m. will become 15. Okay. All right. So this one is 13 hour and 30 minutes. Very good, Pete. Letter D, Kauham.
Yes. The time in the 24 hours.
Notation
is 11 hours.
Again. How do you read this?
21 hours and 24 minutes.
Minutes. Me as now. Okay, very good. Thank you, Kauham. So the time in the 24-hour notation is 21 hours and 24 minutes. So again, this is 24-hour notation. Okay, Michai 12-hour. Kajay Mai, do you understand? Okay, I will show you the 24-hour notation. Hold on. Okay, so here. So this is the 24-hour notation. So we'll start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then here 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, class, this one, 13. If we are using a 12-hour notation, what time is 13? What time is it? This one. If it's a 12-hour notation. Anyone know? 13. This is 1 p.m. Okay, 13 is 1 p.m. What about 14?
2 p.m.
Again, please, Pete.
2 p.m.
2 p.m. Okay, very good. What about this one? 15.
3 p.m.
3 p.m. Okay. Kunchai, 16.
4 p.m.
Very good. 17.
5 p.m.
5
5
p.m. Okay. 18.
6 p.m.
Kuchai, 6. 6. 6 na? 6. Okay, what about 19?
7 p.m.
Okay, very good. What about 20?
8 p.m.
8 p.m. What about 21?
9 p.m.
9 p.m.
9 p.m. 22.
10
10
p.m.
p.m.
Okay, what about 23?
11 p.m.
11 p.m. What about 24?
22 p.m.
12 p.m. or 12 midnight. Understand, yes or no?
Understand.
Okay, very good. All right, now let's try to discuss about find the amount of time. Example number 2. We have A and we have letter B. So letter A, from 00 hour to 45 minutes to 11 hours and 15 minutes. Again, 45 to 11:15, that's letter A. For letter B, 12:25 to 17:10. We will check, or we will find out what is the amount of time in this example. So here's the solution. For letter A, draw a line, draw a timeline from 0:45 to 11:15. Okay, so this is the, hold on, give me 1 second. So this is the timeline, class. So first, we will put 45 minutes over here, and then here is 10:45 and 11:15, okay? Now let's check the amount of time between those times. So from here, 45 minutes to 10:45, that's 10 hours, okay? And then from 10:45 to 11:15, the amount of the time between this time is 30 minutes. So for letter A, the answer would be, or the amount of time from 45 minutes to 11:15 is 10 hours and 30 minutes. Do you understand? The amount of time between the two times, okay? Let's try letter B. Draw a timeline from 12:25 to 17:10. So this is the timeline. So we will write first 12:25, okay? Remember, 12:25 is over here. And then 16:25 is over here. So from 12:25 to 16:25, the amount of time is 4 hours. So let's start. 12:25, 13:25, 14:25, 15:25, and 16:25. So that's 4 hours, okay? So what about 16:25 to 17:10? So the amount of time between 6:25 and 17:10 is 45 minutes. So the amount of time from 12:25 to 17:10 is 4 hours and 45 minutes. I will show you another example. Okay, let's try another example, class. Okay, I have, look at the whiteboard. I have 1 and 5. So let's say this is AM. So this is in the morning after midnight. So let's try to write the timeline. So here is 0, 0. Here is 0, 1. Here is 2, 3. Here is 4, and here is 5. Now, question, who can tell me the amount of hours between 1 to 5? How many hours? How many hours? Boom. Anyone? From 1 to 5, how many hours, how many amount of time between 1 to 5? Okay, Pete, how many hours? How many amount of time between 1 to 5?
5 hours.
No, Machai, 5 hours. Between 1 to 5, how many hours?
3 hours. 3 hours.
No, it's 4. Let's count now. So this is 1, yes? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hours. So the time between, or the amount of time between 1 to 5 is 4 hours. Okay, let's try another example. I have 6:25. Oh, let's try 6:30 and 11:40. So how many, or what is the amount? What is the amount of time between this time? So we will write a track or timeline, okay? So we will start with 6:30. And then here, 7:30, 8, 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, and 11:30. 11:40. All right. Hold on. 11:30 and 11:40. Okay, kids. How many or what is the amount of time between 6:30 to 11:40? So look, let's start with hours first. 6:30 up to 10:30. 11:30. How many hours?
5 hours.
Hour.
Okay, 5. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hours. And what about the minutes from 11:30 to 11:40? How many minutes? How many minutes? From 11:30 to 11:40. How many minutes? Or what is the amount of time? Amount of minutes from 11:30 to 11:40.
5 minutes.
5 minutes, Law? No, it's not 5 minutes. Class 11:30 and 11:40. How many minutes? Interval, how many minutes? This one is 5 hours, Shemai, but here, minutes. Nati, how taulay Nati? 11:30 to 11:40.
1 minute.
Oh, 1 minute? No, it's not 1 minute.
30 hour. Oh, 30 minutes. 30 minutes.
No, look, class 11:30 and 11:40. How many minutes? What is the amount of minutes between 11:30? 10. It's 10 minutes, class, okay? So the answer or the amount of time is 5 hours and 10 minutes. Okay, so we have to write 5 hours and 10 minutes. Understand? Okay, let's have another example. Okay, another example. I have 3:10 until 7:25. What is the amount of time? So we have to write the timeline. So let's start with 3:10 and then 4:10, 5:10, 6:10, 7:10, and then here is 7:25. Okay, what is the amount of time? What is the amount of time from 7:10 to 7:25? What is the amount of time? Anyone? What is the answer? What is the amount of time from 3:10 to 7:25? Let's start with hour.
5
Three-
hours.
5 hours. Very good. 1, 2. Oh, it's not 5. It's only 4. 4. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hours. Okay. And what about here? Minutes. Nati. 7:10 to 7:25. How many minutes in between? 15. Very good. 15 minutes. So the answer here is 4 hours and 15 minutes. Understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, another example now. Last example. I have 8:25 up to 11:35. Who wants to answer? What is the amount of time? Anyone? Raise your hand. Who wants to answer? 8:25 to 11:35. Okay, Pete.
3 hours. 3 hours
And
and 10 minutes.
oh, very good. King Mac, good job. So that's 1, 2, 3. 3 hours, okay? And 11:25 to 11:35, that's 10 minutes. So the answer is 3 hours and 10 minutes. Understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, very good. What about this one? (10:45) until 12:50. What is the amount of time? What is the amount of time? 10:45.
2 hours 5 minutes.
2 hours and 5 minutes. Very good, Pete. Good job. Very good. What about this one? 1:35 until 6:45. What is the amount of time?
5 hours. 5 hours 10 minutes.
5 hours and 10 minutes. Very good. 5 hours and 10 minutes. Everybody, do you understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, very good. All right, let's try to answer this one. Hold on. Oh. Do you have your workbook, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, maybe I will just give you homework, okay? Hold on, just give me 1 second. All right, I will just send the homework in Google Classroom, okay?
Okay.
All right, so thank you, students.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you.
Teacher.
Goodbye. See you tomorrow.